Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you meet the student criteria. Use your university email or ID. Once verified, sign into your Google account. Make sure it's the one you'll use for access. Next, open the Gemini student offer page and click the redemption button. You'll be asked to confirm identity and link your student email. While this runs, keep your payment method and a photo of your ID handy so verification proceeds without delay. And watch for the confirmation email that begins the activation flow. Once you've initiated redemption, complete the verification steps carefully. Upload the required student documents or sign in through your school's SSO. This proves eligibility and speeds approval. After submission, check your inbox and click any verification links, and finish the CAPTCHA prompts so automated checks succeed. Then choose the exact offer, trial duration, or linked plan, and confirm billing preferences. You won't be charged during an indicated trial, so make sure dates and permissions match. After redemption, access Gemini from your Google account and confirm the student badge appears in Settings. You should configure workspace preferences, model access, and any export or privacy options now. This prevents surprises when you start projects. If activation stalls, try clearing your browser cache, using an incognito window or switching devices. These steps resolve most session or cookie problems. Finally, if verification fails, gather screenshots of errors and your ID. Then contact Google support so they can resolve edge case issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.